We got some saw blades. They're made for a table saw, not skill saws. None of these are. And these are like $60 blades. They're in good condition. This one here has been used. This was a $100 blade, but it's still good. But here's another one. And here's the other one. It's worth like $100. This here is a finishing blade. Not made for skill saws. So if you want these blades, leave a comment on my YouTube channel. And I'll make a special offer on them. So, yeah, please let me know. There's no damage to any of these blades. At all. Except for this one here. This yellow one is damaged. Well, it's been used, but it's still cut, but I want to trust it. Because they put oil on them. You gotta put oil on. I got the can of oil for these blades. I found that. So give me a comment and let me know. See, it says table saw. So this is what they're for. So give me a comment and leave. Thank you.